Why Forex trading is better than futures if you don't have big capital. See, this video is for people that don't have 50K or even 10K to even trade futures. Also, this is for traders that's tired of hearing save more money before you start trading because you need bigger capital. This video is also for people who want scalability, flexibility, and opportunity. And also, if you are a beginner that's been trading anywhere from 6 months to about 18 months, this video is also for you. So if you truly care about profit potential, and I'm saying anything from a $500, $1,000, a $5,000, even maybe, yes, a $10,000 account, you can really grow this account because we have something known as high leverage. So we're not here to attack any futures traders. This is only designated for those type of traders. So if that's you, let's talk more about why Forex trading is better for you. So in this video, I'm going to break down step by step what pairs you should be trading, why Forex is better, and learn way more than what you should know, and also show you the broker you can use to sign up so you can start trading today. Let's get to it. So why Forex works better for small accounts. We're looking at flexibility, risk control, which is the biggest part of taking trades. And then we're looking for opportunity. Opportunity is where you can take multiple Forex pairs from Euro USD, from CAD Chief, all of these different opportunities you have. And most importantly, you can trade this throughout the entire day. We're talking Asian, London, and New York session. Big difference here. So the session filters, like I mentioned, we have Asian, London, and New York. New York is going to give us the highest volume and the cleanest moves based off of what we're looking for. But also London gives us really good setups as well. So if you are a trader that is trading a 9-to-5 job or you work during the day, the London session is going to always be your best option for you to actually start trading. Now, when it comes to pair selections, we want to find clean structure, tight spreads, and smooth candles. What do I mean by this? Clean structure is anything where you see a clear setup going up, coming down, hitting our equilibrium level, which is anywhere from the 44% to the 618. Once we get something to set up inside here, we can either get what we call a liquidity grab, which is going to basically grab liquidity outside of these two zones. Once that has been determined, we then wait for a power candle to cross past our 9 EMA, and then we go for a buy. And we either take TP at this high here, or we look at our Fibonacci play, which I will show you guys as well, to the negative 618 or the negative 27 mark. That is, my friend, our 3-minute standing concept strategy that I use 24/7 throughout the day for any pair. The important thing is you want to find a pair with tight spreads because this is where we say commissions and you are paying for commissions. Smooth candles is anything, like I said, power candles and smooth liquidity grabs. So the first pair we're going to be talking about is CAD Chief. The best time we are going to be trading this is during New York session and then also London and New York overlapping. Best windows to trade it. The market behavior that we need to see is smooth candles, minimum fake outs, and respects the structure very well. This, my friend, is what we call the importance of a proper setup. And let me show you how good CAD Chief looks on the chart. So as you see here, I have trading view popped up and I have an indicator that shows these color boxes. These color boxes are basically session timing, where you will know what sessions you're in. You see Tokyo at blue, London at orange, New York at green. And then we also have an overlapping, which is giving us this yellow greenish color, which is London and New York. This is what you guys should be using if you really want to figure out what sessions you're actually in while you're trading. The overall objective here is I want you guys to see how smooth this is. Yes, you see that it's moving sideways, but we're not getting any crazy spikes or anything like that. Usually you get from gold or usually you get from a commodity. This, my friend, is what you call a smooth transaction that is literally going to take your small account from $100 to $1,000 almost like it's nothing. But that's all based off of you and based off of what you're getting from this video. So what we're going to be looking for is a clear high low or a lower high. This is what we call in market structure. And then from here, we're going to be looking for liquidity sweeps above the high or below the lows. And then from there, we need that clean pullback after the sweep. So if we go back to the market, I want to show you a prime example. Notice here, we have market heading down, known as a downtrend. This is what we call our highest point and our lowest point. These two levels is what we're going to be drawing our Fibonacci from. Why are we drawing it from here to here? Well, simply because if you look left, you see that this was our most recent low, what we call our swing low. Market instantly broke that swing low. So since that happened, that previous high becomes the valid A point. Same thing applies for a downtrend. So notice how here we had basically a swing high internal swing high, and an internal swing high, and an internal swing high. It never broke through here. It never broke through here, but it finally broke through here. So since it broke through, you look for the most previous low, which is this one here, or pretty much this one here, and you now call that your valid area. That is literally how you find the most recent range, and that is literally how you draw a correct Fibonacci. So now we take the Fibonacci tool, we're going to draw it from point A to point B, and then now we're looking at our blue box. So if you don't have these settings, you can pause the video and copy this. But we're looking inside of the 44% mark and inside of the 618 mark. Inside of these two levels, we want to see liquidity resting, or an order block, or a fair value gap. These three things is what we want to see before we execute a trade, because a lot of traders say and don't understand where is a valid level. Should I mark this as my valid? Is this my valid? No. All you need to focus on is literally inside the zone. So everything else becomes completely invalid. You look inside here, you see that we have liquidity resting at the top. Liquidity here, liquidity here. And we decided to sweep that liquidity, even make liquidity as well. But even if we don't grab liquidity, another cool thing you guys can even look for inside of this is, like I mentioned, an order block, POI levels, support, or resistance. But we got everything we need inside of here. The moment that happened, we then wait on a power close candle, meaning an engulfing candle that is closing, known as a bearish engulfing candle. So we're going to be paying attention to either this candle here or also this candle here. And even if we were to miss the setup, we have this candle here. But remember, we're only trading in the New York or even the London, New York session. So we have to keep that in mind. So the moment we got that, we can now take this opportunity to sell it. You can either take your TP to this low, or you can even ride it to the Fibonacci plays. Now the second one I like is New Zealand CAD. Best times to trade this is during New York session only. Skip the low volume hours. You really want to tackle this during New York session. The market behavior for this is it holds the trends very well. It is less violated when it comes to spikes, and you get really clean pullbacks. How you trade this is literally the same way we're going to be trading CAD Chief, so I'm not going to get too much into this. I just want you guys to see the market behavior with New Zealand CAD. So as you guys see, we're just going to draw out basically what I'm looking at. So we have trend, a nice pullback, another trend, and a nice pullback, and then a trend. We have a trend, a beautiful pullback, and a following trend. And then all of this right here is a trend. Then we got this pullback. Now this pullback became a little excessive, but then once again, we noticed that it kept pulling, then it went up right back, and then it went right back down. But if you are scalping this on a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and even a 2 minute time frame, these little moves that you constantly see are very volatile. So if we go back and look at a 2 minute time frame, you guys can see how consistent this is when it comes to pulling back and creating that next trend. That, my friend, is literally how you can make so much profits by trading New Zealand CAD. Now going to the final one, a lot of you guys might know this one, is called Alt Chief. You can trade during London and New York with no problems. It is slower momentum, but the ranges are a lot cleaner, and this gives you guys more steady when it comes to price action. If you are a trader that is still trying to understand what I'm even talking about, or you're still learning, Alt Chief could probably be the one for you to trade, just because it can really teach you a lot. What to look for in this is you want to look for your range highs and your range lows, liquidity sweeps at the range edges, price reaction back inside the range. This basically means when we're drawing our Fibonacci in that range that we're looking for, that valid range, we're either looking for it to sweep liquidity outside of it, then we look for a valid power candle, and then from there we can go ahead and take our trade. This is literally what we do in our TWS community, even what I teach all the time in my YouTube channel. So I made this a lot easier for you. I created a full beginners playlist for you to start from A all the way to Z. If you're more advanced, you can even watch the other playlists as well. So I'm going to pop up the Forex beginner playlist now. You can check that out. I will probably be right there. And then also I will pop up the other playlist, which is called very educational content, which will get more advanced and more in-depth with these pairs, how to trade gold, silver, US 30, NASDAQ, and so forth. If you guys want more content, just comment the word, hey, I appreciate you, I want more, and I'll continue to drop more videos like this. Other than that, I appreciate you. Your boy Solo, tapping out. Peace.